Ever wondered what the purpose of keywords in marketing is? Simply put, keywords form the bedrock of search engine optimization and online marketing. They bridge the gap between what folks are seeking and the content you offer to fill that need. Remember, keywords are the way your content becomes visible in the vast sea of online information. But why are keywords so crucial for your marketing strategy? Well, the right keywords can skyrocket your business to the top of search engine results, boosting visibility and traffic. They unlock user intent, enhancing the overall experience. So, choosing the right keywords can truly make or break your marketing campaign. So how can you ensure you're utilizing keywords effectively in your marketing strategy? Enter Authority Solutions, a leader in SEO services. This company employs advanced tools and strategies to unearth the best keywords that align with your business goals and target audience. Authority Solutions, your trusted partner in navigating the world of keywords and SEO. Ready to conquer the world of online marketing with the right keywords? Authority Solutions is here to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated. Remember, the power of keywords is just a click away with Authority Solutions.